Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of September 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.53%. This results in an average return of 0.13% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -8.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -16.65% to -3.52%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -26.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and 71.19% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $29.09. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price up 0.414% on Friday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price experienced a gain of 0.414% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 12th of September, 2025. The price rose from $16.92 to $16.99. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.16%, reaching a low of $16.69 and a high of $17.05. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, marking a decline of 5.37% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 582,000 more shares were traded than the previous day. Ultimately, 6 million shares exchanged hands, amounting to approximately $101.71 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands at 68.93%, or $37.69, below the 52-week high, and 78.60%, or $62.39, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology, with the ticker symbol DJT, is expanding its focus beyond social media platforms. On the 10th of September, the company submitted registration statements for 5 America First Exchange-Traded Funds, or ETFs, as part of a Truth Social and Truth.Fi branded initiative. These funds range from American Energy Security to an American Red State Real Estate Investment Trust, indicating a significant move into asset management and branded financial products. This development follows a purchase agreement with Crypto.com on the 5th of September and the ongoing integration of the CRO token within Truth Social and Truth Plus. These steps incorporate cryptocurrency utility and a digital wallet feature into the company's ecosystem. In the short term, these announcements are likely to be key catalysts. Anticipate an increase in trading volume, rallies driven by headlines, and heightened volatility as investors seek growth opportunities and speculate on approvals from the Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as potential synergies with tokens. However, there's also the risk of near-term dilution due to stock considerations in the Crypto.com agreement, alongside heightened regulatory scrutiny surrounding the launch of cryptocurrencies and ETFs. Looking towards the long term, successful launches of ETFs and the integration of financial technology could diversify revenue streams, create recurring fees, and enhance user monetization. Yet, this potential upside is contingent on approvals from the Securities and Exchange Commission, user adoption, the overall health of the cryptocurrency market, and disciplined execution. Any failures or regulatory challenges could significantly impact the company's valuation. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Today, the stock displays mixed signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average exceeds the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $17.42. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $16.88. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall indication. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 8.16%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Despite this, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing: moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 28 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 149 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 144 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 360 cents between its high and low, equivalent to 2.16%. During the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price compared to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $16.92. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. the combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of September, 2024, Glebe Scott conducted an insider sale of 30,016 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 29th of August, 2025, Swider Eric conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 22nd of August, 2025, Holding George Edward Bell conducted an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the same day, Bernhardt David Longley conducted an insider purchase of 23,105 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Holding George Edward Bell conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Based on the 87 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 18.866. Overall, insiders purchased 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,080,826 shares in the last 87 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 15th of September, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 8 cents and start trading at $16.91. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.